Today we will experiment on Kelvin double bridge. Let us conduct the experiment. First we have to measure the value of test resistance X. Measure the value of test resistance X. The value we'll consider as 1.2. Write down the value 1.2. Now we will measure the resistance of the probe. So the probe resistance is 0.2, around 0.2. Take it as 0.2. There is a variac. This is the variac to control the current through the ammeter. Now the variac will be put at 0 position, and these are the resistance that is put in pot. So this knob has to be put nearly at middle position. This is the entire range. Now if we put at this position, it will be nearly at middle position. The same has to be followed for all the resistances. So this is the middle position for this P and P. Similarly, so these are quite in the middle. Now we will connect the device. Connect it. Slowly do the connection. Now this side there is a current output and there is a current input. Now turn on the switch, power switch. Okay. Now we will turn the AC on and will turn on. Now gradually we will increase the current value. As the current, supplied current is getting increased, so the ammeter is showing the higher value of current. So we are setting the ammeter current nearly at 1.5. 1.50. So it is settling at nearly 1.5 ampere. And this galvanometer, the null detector, is showing some value. So we have to make the null indicator value to 0. So to do that, we will adjust this potentiometer. So it is increasing, so I have to rotate it in clockwise direction. Current. So I can say the bridge is nearly at balance condition. Now we will turn off the kit and we will disconnect all the connection and measure for PQ, and S, the value of standard resistance, is given as 1.1. So just disconnect this whole circuit and I will put the variac again at 0. Now we will measure the value of P and Q. Somebody measure the value. Measure the value for P. put. So the resistance across P is showing as 106.8 ohm. Now do it for S. Do it for Q. So the value of Q is showing 133.2. Okay. Now we have to calculate the value and check whether this calculated value is equal to the measured value. How to do that? The formula is, so the calculation for unknown resistance is, the formula is x equal to S into P by Q. S value, standard value is given as 1.1. Now 1.1 into value measured is 1.6.8, 133.2. So the measured value is, calculated value is 0.88. And measured value is, this is the unknown resistance value, and probe resistance value is 0.2. So this is near equal to 1 ohm. So x calculated value near equal to x measured value. So we are measuring a very less resistance, less or equal to 1 ohm. So this value showing that we can measure the low value of resistance by using Kelvin double bridge. Thank you.